Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen and More. And here in the crock pot, I have some smoked turkey necks and some veggie seasonings like onion, celery, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and some parsley here. And I am going to place this in the pressure cooker. And I have 4 cups of water here that I'm adding to my pot. That should be enough, just enough to cover. Let's see, that's enough. And I am putting my pressure cooker pot into the base. And let's see here, I am going to put it on, let's see, poultry. And I'll add an extra few minutes. Let's see here. I'm going to add about 30 minutes to it. And I'm going to let that cook. I'll be putting these in some collards and I'll come back and show you what's going on, but I'll pause right here. Okay, these are my greens. I have chopped them and picked them. Now I'm going to wash them 4 or 5 times. I'm putting a little salt in the water for them to soak a little bit. And then I will wash them. And when I get them in the pot, I will come back and let you see what we have going on here. Okay, y'all, this is my butter that I have in my pot for my veggies to go in. And I'm going to get those a little tender. My greens are all washed and cleaned. I washed them 4 times after I soaked them in salt water. And here is my meat that is going in. I'm going to put the meat in. When these get a little sauteed, I'll put my meat in. And from there, I will put my greens in. I am going to put a tablespoon of Better Than Bouillon chicken base in there. I'm not going to put any salt because I need to see just how salty it already is. It's probably going to have enough salt once I put the base in. And I'll be adding some garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of all-purpose seasoning, the Calvinder's seasoning, and we will go from there. But these veggies are sauteing right now in the butter, and I'll pause right here and come back. This is what I have going on in the pot now, and I'm going to get ready and put my greens in the pot. As you can see, I've already added my Better Than Bouillon, 1 tablespoon, and my hands are very clean. I have washed them, so I am putting the greens in, and I may have to wait until those cook down a little before I put the rest in. But this is how it's going, and I'll come back and let you see the end results. All of the greens are in the pot, and I started them with 4 cups of water. Normally I would put in the chicken broth, but I didn't have any since I used the Better Than Bouillon. I just used water, and I'm getting ready to cover them over just a little bit. Keep the pot just a little bit so some of the steam can come out of the pot. And I have my stove set on medium high right now, and once they get cooking, then I'll turn the heat down to medium and let them simmer for an hour and see how they're going, and then I'll bring you back. The greens are cooking, and I have put a banana pepper in, and I'm going to cover it over. And I took out the meat so it wouldn't cook all up, and I'll put the meat back in probably the last 5 minutes of the cooking process. And I'll pause right here. Okay, guys, here are those delicious Southern style collard greens with smoked turkey necks and banana pepper and other delicious seasonings. Now, I use smoked turkey, but you can